Oh, it's okay. I'm going out. I'm gonna take me a walk for Shorty. Show my friends down south how it is.
Mary. It's cold.
Yeah.
You won't like it.
It's okay. I ain't going far. I just want to show my friends in Alabama what it is.
Cold.
Okay, I'm going to just take a very short walk just to show you what it's kind of mellowed out a little bit, but just to show you what it's like today. You can't really see down the street, so I ain't going far. But the wind was whipping through those trees and just howling. It's so cool. Yeah, I won't go far because it's hard to walk. The wind is so blowing. And thank God for these cars that most of the people driving have snow plows, enough of them amongst them to pull them out if they need to. Like, there's one. I don't know how they can say we can get 3 foot when it ain't landing on the ground. It's just blowing as hard as it can. But this is really cool. See, it's snowing. We got about, let's see, maybe about 6 inches or so far. But ours didn't start until this morning. The winds are wicked. That's crazy. But I figured a short walk to show y'all what it's like. See, a couple cars and a guy with a snowplow and a truck without. It's cold. This is like wow weather today. We haven't had any of this yet this year. Jeez, it's deeper here. Yeah, it's above my ankles, way above my ankles. But not bad. A tow truck. I've been hearing lots of accidents. This is where they go down. I ain't going. Oh, shit. The tree just fell. Oh my fucking god. Wow. I can't even see it. Yep, there it is. It was just right out in the street. Looks like it didn't hit the what do you call it? That scared me. I think I'll go back in. Holy moly, beautiful pine. In a second. It's the top of it took off. Wow. Okay, my hands are frozen. The buildings. I can't even barely see my building right now, and I'm only a couple buildings away. Jeez. Oh, and look, my footprints are gone. I just turned around. I wonder how many more trees there are. So it makes me worry about walking by these trees. Here comes the plows. Tree down. Very close to these trees. Oh, holy moly. This is kind of scary. Get away from the trees. Please. There. Now I feel better. That one won't reach me. This is crazy. Woo, my hands are frozen. It's just like ice. Wow. Whew. I didn't see the dealer. Should be the other across the street, and that's it. Better move them trucks out from under those trees. Okay, keys. I should be able to function the keys.